छात्र छात्री माने आज मु दशम श्रेणी पढ़ा जाइथिबा पोएम फ्रॉम द फॉर्मालिन जार विषय रे थिबा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन गुड़िक विषय रे मु आलोचना करुछि। पुस्तक रे थिबा प्रथम प्रश्नटी हैला व्हाट इज दिस पोएम अबाउट। ए पोएमटी कहा विषय रे कुहा जाइछि। द पोएम इज अबाउट how a young, healthy, brilliant and good mannered student ended into a formalin jar due to careless driving। अर्थ एक कवितार कहुई जड़े स्वास्थ्यवान एवं अति मेधावी एवं उत्तम आचरण विशिष्ट छात्र किपरि मृत्युवरण करी फॉर्मालिन जार मध्य को से जाइछि केयरलेस ड्राइविंग पाई। ताही होछि कवितार मुख्य विषय वस्तु। 2 नंबर प्रश्न व्हेयर इज विकीज ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन। विकीर ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन टी वर्तमान केउठी अछि। विकीज ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन इज इन द फॉर्मालिन जार। फॉर्मालिन जार मध्य रे अछि। 3 नंबर व्हाई इज द ब्रेन पुट इनसाइड द फॉर्मालिन जार। द ब्रेन इज पुट inside the formalin jar as a specimen to promote knowledge to the staring people। ए देखुथुवा लोक माननकु ज्ञान प्रदान करिबा पाई एक नमूना सदृश फॉर्मालिन जार मध्य रे रखा जाइछि। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हु डज आई refer to in the poem। I refers to Vicky's brilliant brain in the formalin jar। Next question number 5। Question number 5 how does the brain feel inside the jar। ये जार मध्य रे थाई ब्रेन टी कौन अनुभव करुछि। द ब्रेन इनसाइड द जार feels to be disrespected and insulted as called a specimen। Question number 6 who is the brain talking about। कहा विषय रे ब्रेन टी कहूछि। द ब्रेन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट विकी who was a living human 2 years ago। Question number 7 what does the brain say about Vicky। The brain says about Vicky who was strong and healthy 2 years ago। Next question number 8 do you think that Vicky and the brilliant brain are two persons। Vicky एवं brilliant brain ए 2 जन लोक बोली भावुछ कि नो ना ए 2 जन व्यक्ति नुहंती कारण Vicky and the brilliant brain refers to the same person। ସେଇ ଗୋଟିଏ ଲୋକକୁ ବୁଝାଉଛି। Next, question number 9. In question number 9, what were Vicky's favorite subjects? Vicky's favorite subjects were computers and mathematics. Question number 10. What was the motto of his life? The motto of his life was, ତା ଜୀବନର ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ନା the motto of his life was no pain, no gain, or the motto of his life was hard working. Next, question number 11. Was Vicky good at studies? How do you know this? Yes, Vicky was good at studies. The line computers and maths were his domain, inverted comma says, justifies it. Next, question number 12. Vicky loved his parents. Which line says so? Which line says so? Vicky loved his parents. The line Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane says so. Question number 13. 13 देखिए question number, which word says that Vicky loved his grandmother very much? The word adored माने भल पाइबा बा प्रशंसा करिबा, says that Vicky loved his grandmother very much. Next, question number 14. What else besides studies did Vicky do during his college days? Vicky stole a glance at Lori during his college days besides his studies. Question number 15. Who was Lorne? Why did he steal a glance at her? Lonely was his classmate whom he loved. That is why he stole a glance at her. Next, question number 16. Why does the poet say that only the brain could explain the cause of Vicky's heartbeat? Third. It is the brain that could explain heartbeat of Vicky after his glance at Lonnie. Means he was afraid of doing such a mistake, being a brilliant student. Next question. Question number 17. Read the stanza 5 and 6 again. What are they about? How are they different from others? Stanza 5 and 6 are different because when stanza 5 explains about the accident he met and died. On the other hand, stanza 6 explains the result of accident and advice of the poet why to drive safe. Question number 18. Where was Vicky riding? When and why? କେଉଁଠିକି ଚଢ଼ିକି ଯାଉଥିଲା ଗାଡ଼ି, କେତେବେଳେ ଏବଂ କାହିଁକି? Vicky was riding to his friend's house in the next lane. He rode on a wet monsoon day for an unimportant or ordinary task. Next question 19. Where was his friend's house? Was it very far? His friend's house was in the next lane. No, it was not very far. Question number 20. Why did he go to his friend? He went to his friend to meet him in connection with an unimportant or ordinary task. Means there was no such important task with his friend. 21. What caused the accident? Which words in the poem described the accident? For the first time, Vicky didn't wear his helmet while riding to his friend's house. This caused the accident. The words an accident, gory, and inhuman in the poem describe the accident. Question number 22. What meaning does the line "for once" from wearing his helmet he did refrain convey? Was it Vicky's habit to wear his helmet while riding his bike? Answer for once. The expression "for once" from wearing his helmet he did refrain. The meaning of this line conveys that Vicky didn't wear his helmet for once. Yes, it was Vicky's habit to wear his helmet while riding his bike. Question number 23. How did the accident affect Vicky and his family? Vicky was seriously injured and died at the spot. Next to his family was crushed with sorrow. Question number 24. What message does the poet have for the young generation. Through this poem, the poet gives the message for the young generation through this poem that they should take care and avoid risk diving so that they can save themselves. Next, question number 25. Can you say why such dreadful accident occur on a road and cause death every moment? Yes, we can say due to violation of road safety rules, such dreadful accidents occur on the road and cause death every moment. Question number 26. Suggest some ways to reduce road traffic injuries. In short form, RTI. We can reduce road traffic injuries by following rules of the road. Secondly, traffic police should execute the rules in an honest way. This is all about the short answers of the questions given in the textbook, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to encourage me to produce more and more videos afterwards for your service. Thank you.